Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can verify your identity on MoonPay. So, verifying your identity is really essential to use your MoonPay securely and comply with regulations. So, let's do it. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your MoonPay and make sure that you've already logged into your account. And once you're here, you will see this verify account option. So, just go ahead and click that. And what you will have to do is basically fill out all of this info so that you will be able to confirm your identity and comply with your legal requirements. So first, your personal info. Make sure to enter your name, your nationality, and date of birth, and your address, of course, where you are currently residing. And by the way, you would be asked as well to select your country and then to choose your ID type, which is either passport, driver's license, or a national ID. And you would also be asked to take a clear photo of that ID and ensure that all the details are visible. So yeah, you would also be asked to take a selfie for facial verification, and you will just have to basically follow all the on-screen instructions. And then once you're done, you will just have to click submit and wait for verification, and it would usually take about a few minutes to a few hours. And once you're verified, you can now buy, sell, and withdraw crypto safely. And make sure to always use accurate documents so that you will be able to avoid delays. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.